What is Riverdance's impact on Irish dance? Have you ever wondered how a performance can change the perception of an entire art form? Riverdance did just that for Irish dance. When it first appeared in 1990 for during the Eurovision Song Contest in Dublin, it introduced Irish step dancing to a global audience of around 300 million people. This moment was a turning point, transforming Irish dance from a local tradition into a worldwide sensation. The show combined traditional Irish step dancing with modern elements, creating a captivating performance. It featured iconic instruments like the fiddle, uilleann pipes, and bodhrán, which added to its cultural richness. This blend showcased Irish culture in a vibrant way, making it appealing to people who may not have been familiar with it before. As Riverdance gained popularity, it sparked a renewed interest in Irish dance. More dance schools opened up, and competitions flourished. People from various backgrounds began to take up Irish dance, leading to a rise in professional careers in this art form. Riverdance also inspired other large-scale productions, further increasing the visibility of Irish dance around the world. For travelers in Ireland, Riverdance offers a unique glimpse into the country's culture. The performances tell stories that reflected Ireland's history and traditions. Cities like Dublin host live shows that celebrate this rich heritage, making it a must-see for anyone visiting. The energy and spirit of Irish dance come alive on stage, creating unforgettable experiences for audiences. Riverdance continues to tour and revive its performances, bringing the joy of Irish dance to new generations. This ongoing presence reinforces its role as a cultural ambassador for Ireland. The impact of Riverdance on Irish dance is profound, connecting people worldwide to the cultural roots of Ireland. So, if you are curious about Irish culture, catching a Riverdance performance is a fantastic way to immerse yourself in this vibrant tradition. Whether you are a seasoned dancer or a curious traveler, Riverdance has something special to offer everyone.